What are you doing, you oaf?
She's pretty.
And you're ugly. Now let's get to work.
Hey, yo, Corey, real talk, bro. Why are you so quiet? Like, you never say nothing when you're around us. Why is that? Because I don't fucking like you guys. Yo, what? Yeah, that's right. I think you and your friends a bunch of bitch-ass motherfuckers. That's why I don't talk to you.
Are we enemies?
No.
Are we friends?
No.
Are we gay?
Yes.
That you need to go into anger management or something before I play another board game with you.
Oh, anger management? Name one time that I had anger